Hello, today I want to show you how to use our HR solution in Doxis. When we open Doxis, we have our dashboards, and what we can see here is our human resources dashboard within Doxis. In the dashboard, first of all, we will see our quick actions to navigate within Doxis and, for example, search for our personal e-files. What we also see is reports, which we can build within Doxis with all the information we have accessible. If we go into Doxis and search for e-files, a search dialog will open itself, which we can now use to search, for example, for names, or we can go further and look for company codes which we're working with in our system. We can also search for all available e-files like this, and then we will have our result list filled in with every possible employee e-file which is stored in our system. We can go on and filter, for example, like this, and then we will find every e-file which has REN within its name. If we go further, we can choose the e-file from René Wenzel and open it. After opening the personal e-file, we will see every information we have from René Wenzel saved in the Doxis e-file in Doxis. We can go into content and look into the document. For example, we can go into additional agreements. Then we will see we have 5 documents and open the agreement for the contract of use. After opening the document, it will be opened in our multi-format viewer, and we can have a look into this document. If needed, we can go into Edit, open this in Microsoft Word. This will generate a checkout and the document will be opened in Word. After opening it, we can work on this document, highlight, or add information which is needed within this document. After finishing, we just close this tab, and then we come back to Doxis, which will ask us how we want to proceed. We will check in this document now, and then the newly opened document, edited document will be opened. We can go back now to our personal e-file and go into the details. What you see here is every information which is given to Doxis via the interface from your leading HR system. For example, you could use SuccessFactors. We have our certified interface to SuccessFactors, and we will gather all information from SuccessFactors. If we go back to our dashboard, we can go into Search Personal Documents, and we will see the view from before. We have our search dialog. We can go in here and type in Home Office. The system will go through every document which is available and look for the word Home Office. This could be saved as a Home Office document, but this can also mean that the document itself contains the word Home Office. If you, for example, open a document like this, you will see every word which is found in the document highlighted, and you can jump through this highlighting. If we go back to our dashboard, I want to show you how you can work with workflows within the system. We have group baskets, work baskets available here. These contain every workflow which is needed to be done from within the HR department. We can, for example, open this workflow which is called Return Smartphone. Here we will see an overview of this workflow. We can go into the tasks. And here we will see every step which has to be fulfilled till this workflow can be done and be finished. In these workflows, you can see who is responsible to fulfilling this task, and if you want, you can also add deadlines, for example, 2 days. That means after 2 days, you can get notifications by the system. So we go back to our dashboard, and this is just a quick overview how to use Doxis within your HR department. Thank you.